OnPoint Warranty Solutions, connecting brands to consumers through great service experiences. OnPoint Warranty Solutions is the authorized Opal Nugget ice maker service provider. We're sorry that you're experiencing issues with your Opal. We've determined that your Opal needs to be replaced through our advanced exchange process. In order to expedite replacement of your unit, we will send an Opal in an Opal-branded box to your location. We will place a $300 hold on your credit card at the time the replacement unit is shipped, which will be released once we receive the defective unit back from you. Once you receive the replacement Opal, please package your defective unit in the same box and ship it back to us. To pack your unit, please follow the directions next. Carefully remove straps and lift carton. Open the shipping pouch on the outside of the box. It contains your return shipping documents. Remove top end cap and set aside for repackaging. Remove ice maker from packaging base. Empty any remaining water from defective ice maker. Place defective ice maker in the packaging base. Place top end cap on defective ice maker. Slide carton over defective ice maker and tape the top cap to the carton securely. Don't worry about the straps. Duct tape is perfect. Affix FedEx return service label over original shipping label and schedule a pickup. You must now schedule a FedEx pickup directly with FedEx. Call 866-477-7529 and request ground service pickup from a location in which you will be present. Provide the following information to FedEx when scheduling the pickup service: your FedEx return service tracking number from the label in the pouch you removed from the outside of the box. Ship the Opal to Encompass, which is noted on the label from the pouch. And your phone number, address, and date of pickup. Once you ship the defective Opal back to Encompass and it is received and inspected, the credit hold on your credit card will be released. Please call us at 866-907-6718 if you have any questions. Enjoy your Opal Nugget ice, and thank you for allowing OnPoint Warranty to provide product service support for your unit today.